Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and signal. This saves time. With the car parked and brake set, access the fuse box and check the reverse camera fuse. Replace if blown. Next, turn the ignition to accessory and engage reverse to see if the display reacts. Use a multimeter to confirm 12V at the display power lead. If you see voltage, you have power. Once done, unplug and visually inspect camera connector and wiring at the bumper to find loose or corroded contacts. You now move into the detailed diagnostics. Open the camera housing and look for water intrusion or bent pins, because moisture often kills image quality. Trace the video coax and power wires toward the head unit and test continuity. Open circuits show where to fix. If you find corroded connectors, use contact cleaner and a small brush. Gently realign pins, then reseal with dielectric grease and heat shrink tubing to prevent future issues. Once cleaned and reconnected, test image. You finish by reassembling components and securing cables so vibration won't reopen the problem. Power the system, put the transmission in reverse, and observe the image for clarity, correct orientation, and lag. These signs tell you whether signal or camera is faulty. If the screen stays blank, substitute a known good camera or head unit to isolate the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, tap connectors lightly while viewing the display. A flicker often reveals a loose connection that needs soldering or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.